Hello, what is going on, everybody? We're good. Alright, y'all. Round number 2. Here she is, 2015 R6. She's been warming up for a minute, considering I have gone through some technical difficulties to get here. She is ready. She is at 196 degrees, which is pretty warm for a bike just sitting. 198, 199. The fans are about to turn on. Let's get it. I have not been on the bike in a minute. I hope the audio is sufficient. Oh man, it feels good to be back on a bike. Here in North Carolina, it has been 65, 70 degrees today. Last time I tried this, it was a lot colder, and this is a treat. Also, the duct tape did not fail us. Man, I think I want to get behind this sketchy guy right here. Please let me over. Hopefully this thing picks up some of the bike audio, because this thing sounds beautiful. I don't know if y'all saw the R6 straight pipe video where I took the baffle out of this bike, but definitely one to check out. What do y'all want to talk about today, man? Let's talk about bikes. Let's talk about bikes. Are y'all getting an R6 or an FZ06 given the opportunity? Personally, I'm gonna ride the sport bike while I'm young, right? Like, we can get a FZ later when my back can't take it or my legs can't take it or whatever. We'll do that later. Also, the supreme skill that it just took to not put my legs down while we were moving was hella skill, guys. I'm just kidding. I try to be confident, but not cocky, you know what I'm saying? Riding a bike really isn't that hard. I mean, you just look where you want to go. You keep your chin over the handlebars. Give yourself lots of room. Preferably wait for vehicles to turn left before trying to go around them. This is a fun little road, little toge run this afternoon. Almost got destroyed by that lady. They'll just put on their blinker and go, man. Funny bike moment, lol. Like, you just gotta watch out for people. That is one of the biggest things I will say about being on a bike. You have to try and predict everything you can. Keep your eyes up, scan, not behind you, look in front of you. Always have a way out. I know, I sound like y'all's dad right now, I get it. Let me be your dad. I'll be the cool dad, how about that? Guys, listen, riding a bike is very fun, and I absolutely understand the dangers of it. I've known one friend personally to pass away from a motorcycle, and many others in the community to pass away from a motorcycle. Now, I heard a statistic somewhere that 75% of motorcycle accidents are avoidable by a motorcycle rider. So that just means ride safe, ride within your means, have fun, absolutely. You don't want to die, man. You do not want to die, man. Rip the possum, boy. That's something else that's cool. Is that a Type R? That's hot. That's something else I want to talk about on a bike is speed. So you don't need a super sport to go fast. Every fucking motorcycle is quick as balls. We'll go straight. Every motorcycle is quick as balls. It just so happens on like a super sport like this one, even faster. I think first gear will do fucking 70, 80 miles an hour, which is insane. A 1000 will do like 100 in first gear, which is also insane. Man, both lanes are moving but ours. What the hell? When you're on a bike and you accelerate, it literally warps time. Stay away from her. It literally warps time on a bike. Bike acceleration is so fucking fast, it doesn't even feel real, bro. You will go through 2 gears, you'll look down and say, holy fuck, that's a felony. Not even meaning to. Also, let me chill. Let me ride with both of my hands and feet inside the vehicle. Ooh, this thing sounds good, man. This thing sounds really good. Yo, this thing is so light. This thing is so light compared to, well, everything. I think this is one of the lighter sport bikes out there. Thousands get heavy. The Harley was like double what this weighed. Man, I hope we can get around this magic school bus somewhere. Low key, low key. So recently, I don't know if y'all saw the video of the Fat Bob. Like, I still have it, I'm still trying to sell it, whatever. I took it to the gas station recently, and boy, from riding a sport bike going back to a Harley, it was the weirdest fucking thing ever. A sport bike, it wants to dip and turn and just do a whole lot of this. A whole lot of this. The Harley wants to stay dead straight. Literally dead straight. You try to turn it, it's gonna pick itself right back up and go straight. It is the funniest fucking thing ever. My arm position on this bike compared to the Harley is about the same, but instead of my feet being behind me like this, they're like in front of me like this. So it's a really weird transition between a Harley and a sport bike. No shit, right? But just funny to experience firsthand. Oh, that is pure, man. That is pure. Man, fuck this bus, bro. Go to school. Go away from here. We're gonna take a left down another fun road. Man, it's not fuck the bus. My bad, man. I don't need to catch an attitude on the road. That's another thing we should talk about on the bike. No need to get an attitude, to be upset, to take anything personally, especially while you're on a motorcycle. Man, I heard the bus running real fast. I was like, yo, I know this bitch ain't ticking, but it's the bus. Alright, learn from me, right? Like, I got upset and made some decisions that led to the totaling of the Skyline. If I had just chilled, if I had just not gave a fuck, the Skyline would still be here today. Now, I'm very grateful it was just the car and not myself. Learn from me. Do not take anything personally. You know, come home with your life. But like I said, have fun. This thing eats up the turns. Absolutely just eats them up. If you're curious, start at the outside of the turn, move towards the middle, and you're good. That's how you take a turn on a motorcycle. Such a beautiful afternoon for it, man. I am so grateful for this bike. So grateful for you guys if you're watching this. This is awesome, man. I don't know what that was. This thing pulls harder than a fucking horse, man. My God. This thing is fucked up. I love it. Now, thankfully, I try to have the self-control needed to own a sport bike, especially a super sport. I try not to be a squid on this thing, you know? I got my gear on, which we got Cortec riding boots. They look like Vans. That's fucking hype. We got my Golden Bursty hoodie. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, we got a Harley guy. Is he going to wave? What's up, buddy? Hell yeah. Appreciate that. See, we're all on two wheels. We can get along. We can get along, man. It's May in the spring, I should say. I'm going to the mountains, going to the Tail of the Dragon with a few friends. Taking the bike up there. I've never ridden in the mountains. I'm excited. I'm really excited. Yo, that's a clean 350 right there. Hello, sir. Please give me your vehicle. I've never saw a green arrow. Nah. Bro, that's another funny thing on bikes. You don't trigger the weight sensor under the pavement sometimes. And you gotta run a light. Like, legally, you gotta wait till 2 cycles of the light have gone through. And then you can run it safely. Yo, TTRS? Yummy, 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 yummy. Maybe it wasn't. Also, guys, be patient on a bike. That's another thing that if you are not a patient person, learn to be, and then get a motorcycle. Impatience will kill you. Shoo! Put my visor down, man. About started crying. Probably should take the bike down a little nature trail one day. As long as it's paved, might be fun. Maybe illegal, but hey, what have we learned in 2022? You fuck up, you steal a bunch of people's money. Oh, I didn't mean to. You know how many scams that have come out like that? Actually, bro, we're gonna take this left. This is another fun little road. I hope y'all can see as well. I should probably invest in a GoPro, but $500, $800, however the fuck much they are. If anybody would like to donate an old GoPro, I am officially accepting donation. Man, why ain't this blinking yellow, bro? Yo, what is this? Yo, that shit's hard, bro. Lowered ass GMC, that shit's dumped, bro. I hope y'all can see that, bro. That's baller. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah, that's sick. That's sick. Let me not go in the bike lane. Now we have another residential road with a suggested speed limit of 35 miles an hour. Nice little cruise. Whoa! Watch out for them puddles, for them roots. Damn squirrels, dogs. Yo, the ultimate setup would be like a GoPro and a proper mic from my GoPro, and then record separate audio of like the exhaust or something. That would be so fucking cool. Probably not all that hard to do either. Little Bluetooth mic, just Bluetooth that shit to my camera. Man, I'm kind of on my nuts a little bit. Ugh. Please, I'm turning right. Please do not hit me if you're behind me. God damn, that's a bump. Oh, oh my lord, bro. Boop. Bow. Alright, man, well, here's the bike. If y'all haven't seen it, 2015 R6. Lots of carbon, Raven edition, mirror deletes. Yeah, she pretty chill. She pretty chill. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you can see. I hope this turns out well. Thank you very much for watching. If you guys want more motovlogs, of course, I will try to improve them vastly over the first one here today. If you guys enjoyed, if you guys would like to see more of this, go down in the comments below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Fitz Miller and the R6 back here with another video. I will see you guys in the next one. Ride safe.